If people aren't watching your videos until the end, YouTube will not push them. It doesn't matter how good your idea is. It doesn't matter how smart your script sounds. If viewers click off early, you lose. So in this video, I'm showing you 5 AI prompts specifically designed to increase retention, not views, not ideas. Retention. Let's get into it. Most creators use AI to generate content. Smart creators use AI to engineer watch time. There's a big difference. Instead of asking AI to write a script, we're going to use it to optimize psychology, pacing, and structure. Here's prompt number 1. Most beginners let AI write their intro once, and that's it. Big mistake. Your first 20 seconds determine everything. This prompt forces AI to rewrite your hook for tension, not information, because curiosity keeps people watching. Information does not. Prompt number 2. Retention drops when your video becomes predictable. If your tone stays the same, if your pacing stays the same, people leave. This prompt helps AI identify where the energy should shift. Even faceless videos need rhythm. Pattern interrupts are what reset attention. Prompt number 3. An open loop is when you introduce something, but delay the full explanation. For example, there's one mistake most creators make. I'll show you that in a minute. That small tension keeps viewers watching. This prompt forces AI to build curiosity structurally. Prompt number 4. Most creators never audit their scripts. They assume if it sounds fine, it is fine. But AI can simulate audience psychology. It can detect repetition, low-energy sections, over-explaining, and fixing just one weak section can increase retention dramatically. Prompt number 5. Long-winded content kills retention. The tighter your script is, the more professional it feels. Beginners often over-explain. This prompt forces clarity and sharper delivery. Shorter, stronger, better. This is exactly why structured prompts matter. Inside my 300-plus YouTube prompt pack, there's an entire retention optimization section built specifically for beginner creators. Not generic prompts, strategic ones. If you're serious about building a channel using AI as leverage, the link is in the description. If this helped you think differently about retention, subscribe to AI Hustle Lab. I test AI strategies, so you don't waste time on hype. And remember, views get attention. Retention builds channels. I'll see you in the next video.